Hey there folks, we're doing an update video here on the International TD24 bulldozer that was pulled from a swamp back in 2009. We're here at the Pioneer Grounds in Perham, Minnesota, where this thing calls home. So you guys a lot of you probably been wondering, whatever came of this dozer that came out of the bog. And haven't really kept up to date on what we've all been doing with it, but as you can see, it's looking a little different here. You can imagine what a project like this would consist of after coming out of, well, where it came from for how many years. So we definitely are very grateful for the crew we had working on this, getting it back running again. We had Kyle and Jason and all kinds of other guys working on this. I'm not going to say last names or anything, but you guys know who you are, and we're really grateful for what you all did so far with this guy. So for those who are wondering about this video, if you haven't yet seen the first video of the actual rescue of this bulldozer, go back, check out the channel, and go back to, I believe it's called The Rescue of the TD24. Watch that video and then come back to this one. It'll make a lot more sense. But anyways, it's been a few years in the works now, and we've had a lot of donated replacement parts. That's a new hood. The seat slash fuel tank is new. Batteries obviously new. A lot of donated new used components on this thing. So we're a week after our show that we have here in Perham, Minnesota, called Pioneer Fest. It takes place typically second or third weekend in August every year. So if you guys are in the area when that's going on, come check it out. You'll see this thing running. But this guy is on its way to Rolog, Minnesota, Labor Day weekend. This year's feature is military equipment and military veterans. So Rolog got in touch with us, Western Minnesota Steam Threshers Reunion got in touch with us, and they would really like to have this bulldozer out there for this year's feature. So I'm out here waiting for a few other people to show up from our group, and the trucking company who's gonna load this guy up, and tomorrow morning head out to Rolog. So we'll have this thing here running real soon. countless of folks who said this was a waste of time and just could never be done. This one's for you. If you want to see it in action, come check out Perm Pioneer Fest in Perm, Minnesota, or come on out to Rolog. Labor Day weekend coming up, 2023.